1.3 How to use the IP Control Center objects. The next tabs in the device menu deal exclusively with the objects that are used to execute commands or for status messages via the IP Control Center on the KNX bus. There are 250 objects that can be parameterized directly with the ETS. The settings of the 250 possible objects are all done in the same way. Note: when using the objects of the IP Control Center, a dummy application can be dispensed with. The telegrams will thus be forwarded and confirmed by the filter tables of the couplers and routers. First, enter a name or meaningful abbreviation. A maximum of 8 characters can be used. Second, choose the data point type from the list. 1 bit, 1 byte, 0 through 100%, with and without sign. 2 bytes, float, with and without sign. 4 bytes, float, with and without sign. 14 bytes, text. Finally, select if the current value of the object can be initiated on startup by sending a query to the bus. Here, the bus load of the telegrams on the KNX bus can be adjusted easily after a reset or a restart. Note on OPC group address exchange. In order to transfer group addresses via the OPC export from the ETS to the editor of the IP Control Center, export the project group addresses from the ETS as an ESF file. For this purpose, select the project under the Projects tab on the main page, and right-click on Export. The file type is ESF. The ESF file is stored in the folder directory of the commissioning PC. From here, the file is imported into the editor of the IP Control Center. All other visualization settings are done in the IP Control Center editors.